Would you like to know how to visualise? Then stay tuned as I share with you what visualisation is, how you can use it in your life, and a small tweak you can make to make it even more powerful for you. Hi, it's Christian Baker from christianbaker.net, sharing inspiration, motivation and encouragement to help you to think differently, to develop your mindset so that you can design, create and achieve the life that you want. Now, visualization is something that I come across an awful lot, and if you've read any books or literature on personal development and self-improvement, it features quite heavily. But with the thousands of clients I've worked with over the years, many people will say to me they struggle to visualize or they don't know what it actually is. So in this video, I hope to kind of make it clearer for you and give you a small tweak that you can use to make it even more effective for you. And the purpose behind visualization is because the mind's very powerful. We get more of what we think about, we get more of what we focus on. So visualization, using your imagination, is a way of activating that part of your mind. It's almost like the language, the key to your subconscious, the part of your mind that controls over your habits, your thoughts, your feelings, that goal-striving mechanism that helps us to achieve the things that we want. And when I'm working with my clients, rather than say visualization, I get them to use their imagination. So I'll say to them, picture, imagine, think about, feel, pretend, know what it is that you would like. And the reason we do that is not for the pretty picture that we create in our mind, but for the feeling behind that. So often, rather than visualization, it's better to connect to feelization, connect to the feeling behind it. Some people are very visual, and if you can create pictures for it, then fantastic. But some people are what we call non-visual, which means although they know what it is they want, or know they could describe it, they can't actually see it clearly in their mind. But because it's the feeling that we want, it's not that important. It's more important that you have a knowingness, an understanding, and you're able to describe it to yourself as to what it is that you want and how that would feel for you. So in your mind, in your imagination, if you can visualize, brilliant, fantastic. Create a vision in your mind of what you want, what that would look like, and how that would be for you. But then connect to the feeling associated with that. And if you're non-visual, just spend some time describing it, write it down, imagine it, connect to it, just know what it is that you want and spend some time thinking about it, reflect on it. When you're listening to maybe one of my mind reset audios, you spend some time thinking about the feelings of what you want while you're doing that. But just take some time every day to connect to what it is that you want and what it feels like to do that. So before you go, leave a comment below and let me know how you're going to use either visualization or feelization in your life. And once you apply it every day, let me know what a difference and how easy you find that. And remember, what your mind believes you will achieve. So think differently, believe in yourself, take action so that you can achieve the life that you want now.